Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have Johnny Orlando here, Close to You. So, nice song here. We have this main part that goes pretty much 95% of the song with some small adds there and build up there for the chorus again. So, pretty much the same way from the beginning until the very end. We love that scenario. Let's take a look at this song. And the best way to play this is with a capo set on the first fret. So with that we have 3 easy chords for the main. So we'll start with these chords first. We have the C, so that is 3rd fret on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the D sus2, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Those 3 chords for the main part, and then we need to throw in the A minor as well. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so let's learn the string pattern. We'll start with the C, so grab that chord, and 1 round goes like this. So that is down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. You have a short pause there after the down, down, up, and then comes the down, up afterwards. So so on. Alright, so the main part will be C, 1 string around, G, 1 string around, and the D sus 2 rounds. So C1, G1, and D2, like this. And so on. Okay, so I'm gonna play that for the verse and also the chorus, but the pre-chorus, so to speak, when he sings, "You were in my arms, the world disappeared," that part, you're gonna throw in this A minor there. So what you do there is to play A minor, then G, and then D sus. Only 1 down like that, with this big pauses in between, and that builds up for the next chorus part. So A minor, pause, G, pause, and D sus, even a longer pause that builds up. And then comes the chorus, and guess what? I already said it. You're gonna play the same there. So C1, G1, and D sus2. John Orlando, Close to You. This one was for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, let me know and support me here on Gorn Guitar. Like or even a subscription there. Subscribe to this channel. It's great. So thank you so much and play tuned.